Hey guys, Troy here, and I've been working really hard on a new puzzle box. Yeah, it's not really that big, but it's got some pretty cool characteristics to it. I think you'll like it, and when I make the tutorial, hopefully, kind of hard making puzzle box tutorials. But yeah, once I make the tutorial, you guys will have a blast with it. I think. So, let's get on to it. Get that out of the way. Of course. And let's bring it in. So, this puzzle box I'm going to call Almost Perfect. And the reason I call this Almost Perfect is because it looks like pretty much like a box. Nothing really much on the top. And there's one error, and it's this piece. Now, if I was wanting to, I could take that piece out of there, but that would eliminate something. So, yeah. So yeah, let's get to solving. First of all, you can't really shake anything out. That's the goal with all puzzle boxes. So, first thing you're going to do is take this piece, just slide it out. Just like that. Now that releases something, actually. Not really evident, but there's this piece. Just kind of pull it out, slide it out like that. And you're probably wondering, what did that do? We'll just kind of scoot these pieces out of there. And this piece will fall out. Yes, a black pin. Then you're going to put it in this hole right here. And that will come out. Set that pin aside. Take this piece out. And here is your treasure. I'm just kidding, guys. No, that's not your treasure. You're actually going to need set this aside for right now. Actually not. Screw that. You're going to put this in here. And you notice it didn't do anything. It just kind of fell in there. And it will fall right back out. So, just put that piece in there. And then take this 1x4 that you can get on top of there. And kind of just press it through. And this piece will come out. It's just placed in there. And then kind of just take these pieces out. And this piece will come out. So you're going to take this piece and put that in that hole. And this piece will come out. So then what you're going to need to do is put this piece in there and just leave it like that. Nothing will come out yet. So then you're going to take this piece and pull it out, but notice it won't come out all the way. So you need to slide this red piece just like that. Then you can pull and it will come out just like that. So then you're going to take your black pin you got earlier and just put it where the red pin is, and this will come out. You press all the way, it'll come out just like that. Pull that, and this piece will come out, and this is your treasure. It's a get in some light. It's a gold bar, kind of like a gold bar. It's a gold grill, actually, and couldn't really find anything better than that. So yeah, you know what? If you wanted to, you could actually stick a I think if you wanted to, you could actually stick a battle droid in there. This guy's kind of missing an arm. I just threw this guy together. But I think if you fold this guy upright, no, because the, yeah, never mind, guys. You can only fit like a series of tiles like this in it because the way it works, here's this piece, and then this piece is like that, and there's a bunch of pieces blocking it, and there's only like that much space in there. So one day I will make a puzzle box that will have a minifigure as your prize. It's going to be a big step forward for me, so I think I'm going to take it. So yeah, let me get this reset and I will be back with you shortly. So yeah, here's almost perfect. And yeah, pretty cool, pretty basic. Not my best one. I think the big brick is my best one, I believe. Yeah, so let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.